If you need a little extra stability when you're getting in and out of your shower, these are worth a look. These are called the TAILI suction grab bars, and I'm going to show you exactly what's included, how easy they are to install, and what they look like once they're in place. So the reason I got these is because I had a fall a few weeks ago, and my leg and my foot have not completely healed yet. So I kind of have a little bit of a problem stepping in and out of the tub, and I really get nervous because I don't have anything to hold on to. So I wanted to give these a try, and these do come as a 2-pack. As you can see, there are 2 of the bars, and they're designed to just give you that extra support in your shower or your tub. And one thing that I really liked about these that made me choose this kind is that you don't have to drill any holes in your wall. These install with heavy-duty suction cups. So we're going to put one up together. So as you can see, each of the bars has, they have 2 large suction cups, one on either end. These are covered right now with the plastic covering that you can pull off, and that's just to keep them clean so that they'll stick better. And then the bar is textured to make it easy to hold onto. And like I said, they did come as a pack of 2, so you can put one on either side. And then the suction cups have locking latches that help it stay in place. And underneath, that curved design that I already showed you gives you that comfortable place for your fingers to just kind of hold on there as you're stepping in or out. So before installing, you want to make sure that the surface is clean, dry, smooth, and non-porous. So these work well on surfaces like tile, glass, marble, acrylic, or metal. They're not recommended for painted walls, drywall, wallpaper, uneven tile, or other porous surfaces. So you grab the bar and put it where you want it, and he's got it right there, and you press the suction cups firmly against the wall, and then you lock the first latch. Go ahead and lock the latch up. Push it real tight. There we go. And then you latch the bottom one as well. Okay, now give it a gentle pull and see if it's, okay, that's pretty secure. Okay, so once it's locked and you've given it that pull, then it's ready to go. And that's what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one on the other side of the tub, but this gives you an idea what it looks like. Okay, and there's the second one installed. So we've got that one on the one side and then the other one over here. And I have to say that what I really like is that it's easy to position if needed. And when you're ready to move it, you can remove it without having to drill holes or damage the surface. And probably my favorite thing is just how easy these were to install. These are great for adding stability in the shower, and they're also good when you're recovering from an injury like I am, maybe if you're pregnant, or anyone who could just use a little extra balance. They're also waterproof, of course, since they're for the shower, and they can support up to 240 pounds each when they're installed correctly. The one thing to keep in mind, though, when you're using these bars is that they're designed to provide assistance with balance. They're not intended to support your whole body weight, so always make sure that they're securely attached before you use them. Overall, I think these are a great option if you're looking for an easy, no-drill way to add extra support in the bathroom. They install in just a few minutes, they're removable and reusable, and I'm excited about the confidence that it's going to give me while my foot continues to heal. So if you're looking for a simple bathroom safety upgrade, these TAILI suction grab bars are definitely worth checking out.